Hello, I'm Dr. Takar, and today I'm going to talk about wrinkles. We all have them and we've all got them over the years, but there are ways to treat them. I get asked many questions about the different types of wrinkles and the different treatments that are available. The way I like to look at it is that there are basically three types of wrinkles. First type of wrinkles are to do with movement, so we can call them movement lines. These primarily are from here and above. We're talking about crow's feet, from smiling a lot, talking about frown lines, which are like an 11 between your eyes, or forehead lines. And of course, we've acquired them with age and experience, but nobody wants to look harsher than they are. They don't want to get them too early in life. Mid-30s to mid-40s is when they really start appearing, and they give an appearance of looking a bit harsh, or looking angry, or looking tired, which is the appearance people don't like. The second type of wrinkles are more from loss of collagen. This is primarily the lower part of the face. So we're talking about wrinkles from the nose to the lips and from the lips to the chin. These are from loss of collagen over the years, from smoking, drinking, sun, and they give an appearance of a puppet-like appearance, a very narrow face, thinning of the face, a hollow face, and again, they make a person look tired and exhausted. A youthful appearance does not have those lines. The final type of lines are the fine lines, and these are the lines which are underneath the eyes or on the upper lip, and they also give an appearance of lack of sleep or tiredness, weariness. So these are the three types that we often deal with. The first type of lines are very easy to deal with. They are simply dealt by paralyzing the muscles causing the excessive movement. Botox, you've all heard of, Botoxolin, and it's been around for a long time, it's very safe, and it's used very effectively. The effects are very natural. What it does is it paralyzes the muscles so the line doesn't appear as harsh. Nobody knows you've had it done except for yourself. You will just look like a better version of you, a younger, fresher version of you. When people say so-and-so movie star had their lips Botoxed, that's a misconception. Botox is never put in the lips, it's merely on the forehead. And Botox is a natural product where you're not adding anything, just taking something away, just taking lines away. Second type of lines, loss of collagen. That's where we put in fillers like Juvederm or Restylane or Perlane, the same sort of fillers that are put in lips. In my clinic, we are very much into giving you a natural, youthful appearance, not into giving you duck lips or chipmunk cheeks. We want you to look very natural so nobody else knows you've had anything done. Everybody knows that you look fantastic, that you look rested as if you've been on holiday. So that's the second type of wrinkles we're treating. The third type of lines are the fine lines, and for these, it's neither Botox nor fillers. What we use is something called cell-fill, something that not many of you have heard about. This is a very natural procedure, in fact so natural it's your own body. We take blood from your body, spin the blood, take out the collagen and put it back in your face. Quite fascinating actually, but it works wonders. Over a period of 8 months, you will look 2 to 3 years younger, and the effect will last for well over 18 months. A very natural process. Some people have asked me about lasers for getting rid of wrinkles. The issue with lasers is there is downtime, but it is an option for some people. Feel free to contact us for a complimentary consultation where we can answer all your questions and make you feel very comfortable. Thank you.